My child, don't worry about your past. Do not regret your past by thinking about what you are facing in the present. As per my will, you are at the right place. When Israelites come in front of the Red Sea, they grumbled against me and they regretted coming out of the Egypt. They said it was better to stay in Egypt. But they forgot one thing, that when they regretted their present, the one who led them towards the Red Sea was the one who made the Red Sea. They forgot my promises by seeing what was in front of them. Sometimes the present may make you regret your past. It may make you think that if you had done that, or if you had gone through that way, it would have been better. It may make you regret about your past by making you worry about the things which I have already stored for you. You know, for everything I have a plan and I have a purpose, as how I had brought the Israelites through the Red Sea towards the promised land. I will bring you towards your blessing. So instead of worrying by focusing on your situations and regretting about your past, start trusting me. Type yes if you believe in me, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.